Hey guys, and welcome once again to this channel. If you have been here and if you haven't, it is so very sweet of you to pass by. This video is going to be finally the baby room tour. So really quick, first of all, I know that it is a very small space. If you don't follow me or if you didn't follow me before this video, I have explained this before. This is actually supposed to be the dining room. We have a one-bedroom apartment, but our living room is big enough that we can fit both the dining table and the couch and TV and all of that. So we just made this into a baby room, and it's just convenient because since I'll be like in the living room like all day, then the baby's just right here. We do have a bassinet in our room where she will be sleeping at night, but during the day when she's like taking naps and stuff, she'll be in her crib. So without further ado, if you want to see this video, just keep on watching. So here is a little overview of what the room looks like. Again, I know that it is very small. We considered moving, but we didn't think it was wise to do that. So we're just gonna stay here for a while. She's a baby. She's not, well, she's not a baby. She is a baby, but she's not out yet. So she won't be taking much space, as small as she will be. So this is the first part of the room. It is the recliner, glider, what else is this? It had swivel, yeah, recliner, glider, and swivel chair. We got this at Target or on target.com. It is very comfortable. It's big enough that my husband like feels comfortable in it, if you know what I mean, but it's not so big that it takes like too much space, if you know what I mean. This is what it looks like. If I am out of breath, I apologize. I am 28 weeks pregnant right now. The cushion is from IKEA and the throw is also from IKEA. Yeah, that's what that looks like. There's actually a bunch of stuff from IKEA, so you're going to hear me mention that a lot. The rug is IKEA as well. I fell in love with this rug when I saw it online because I wanted the room to have pink, but not like a, not like the usual pink. So everything here is like this rose, this like dusty rose color, and I just love it. And I'm so happy that I was able to find everything that like kind of goes well together. So the crib is from Target. It is a baby little crib, the one with the drawer. I don't think they have another one with the drawer. I really, really like it because since this is a small space, we do need as much storage as we can possibly get. So down there, we just have like anything that's bedding related. So blankets, sheets, swaddles, things like that. And the actual bedding is from Pottery Barn. Or actually, I first saw it on Pottery Barn, but it is a West Elm collection. So I ended up going to West Elm to check it out, and they had it for cheaper. So I ended up getting it at West Elm. It is beautiful. Again, I just love that it's so different. It's not like your typical butterfly or flower bedding, but it's like this like diamond. I don't know. It's beautiful. And then this is so soft and so cozy. And then that cushion just came in a new bedding set that we got for our room. We didn't need it. We have enough pillows back there. If you saw my Instagram, you saw that I have, I think, like 10 pillows on my bed. It's too much, but we just didn't need this. And since it has like the little pom-poms, I thought it was so cute for the crib. So yeah. And then moving back to this side, we have a little nightstand. And in here, I have this lamp, which is from IKEA. The little elephant piggy bank is from Burlington. And then we just have the Google device and the Wi-Fi extender, which is also Google. And then here I just have some books. I just wanted to leave a few here because I'm kind of like picturing myself on the chair, like reading books. And so I have a few there that I can just reach for as opposed to getting up and getting the books from there. We'll go to that side in a minute. And then in the drawer, I just have my breast pump and also the, what's it called? Basically the cable for the humidifier, which is out here. Moving on to this side, we have the books, and these things are the spice racks from IKEA. I consider the picture ledges from IKEA, those are beautiful, but they were literally an inch too long for this wall, and we were set on having the books on that wall. So we just ended up with these. We painted them. They come in like the natural wood shade, or like natural wood finish, I should say, because they're not really painted. So we just spray painted them white and they look beautiful, I think. And then before I forget, let me just show you this side. Right on top of the lamp, we have this little sonogram frame that was a gift from a friend. And it is a little small for the wall, but I think it's really cute. We do have a camera set up that is the outlet camera. We've been testing it and it's really nice. And we got like the matching sock, but we obviously haven't used that because the baby is not here yet. So then back to the side once again. We have the Ubi diaper pail back here, and at first I was going to get the usual one that everybody gets. I forget the name right now, but my husband actually did some research and he found this one. Even though it's a little pricier, you can use any bags with it, and it also locks, so you're gonna be saving a ton of money on bags because you don't have to get like the specific diaper pail bags. We can just use like the Kirkland ones that we get for our normal trash can. Then we have here her dresser. So I specifically chose this collection from IKEA. It is the Brimes collection, I think it's called, because we definitely needed a wardrobe, because since this is not a room, there's no closet here, so we for sure needed a wardrobe. And then this is the one that I like the best from IKEA, and it has like everything that matches it. So it has the dressers, it has a bed, so eventually when she does have her own room, we can get like the matching bed and all of that. And also the nightstand is the same collection, and it's just really pretty. They also have this in 3 or 4 drawers. I chose the 3 one because the height is perfect for the changing table. And then again, eventually when she does have her own room, I can just get a second one and it just looks like a big dresser, if you know what I mean. And in here, I'm not going to give you like a full on tour or anything, but in the first one, I just have a bunch of like diapers, rash creams, anything that's like medicine related is here. Her grooming kits, some passies back there, and then this is a backup changing pad cover. Some wipes, lotion, and all of that. In the second one, I just have a few items of clothing, just socks, some pants, bibs, and then some like shorts. I didn't really like buy pants or shorts or anything. These all came with like either tops or dresses, if you know what I mean. And then all her socks are here. I love these. These are just like the Gerber socks. They're super like thick and warm, and yeah, they feel really nice. And then I got these long socks from Amazon because I'm like picturing her in like a onesie, but we do keep the AC on, so I can just put those and then her legs won't be cold. And then in the last drawer, I just have some burp cloths, washcloths, towels, and then that's just like the Mamaroo inserts. This is a limited edition one, even though we're gonna get the Mamaroo as a gift. Since this is limited edition, I just didn't want to miss out on it because it is the cutest thing, so I bought it on my own. Then up here we obviously have the changing pad. I just got this, I think, on Amazon. The covers as well, it came in a 2-pack as you saw. And then we have our docket top right here. It's not gonna stay there, of course, but since it is covered in plastic, I have left it here so that this doesn't get dusty. This is just kind of like protecting both things. And then this frame is from IKEA. They actually have like this print comes in a pack of 3, and then it's just like the print itself, but the frame is also from IKEA. So everything is from IKEA, but it doesn't come together. So like if you go looking for it, don't look for a frame, look for like the packs of prints. Moving on to this side, we have these decorative boxes up here, also from IKEA. I just thought that they were beautiful and that they matched everything so well. There's nothing in them right now, but I think once the baby starts growing out of like her newborn and 0 to 3 size clothing, I can start putting that away in these boxes. They're actually pretty big, even if they don't look like they're big. They're actually pretty big, and they will hold a lot. So then we have the wardrobe. And before I get into that, I do want to acknowledge this curtain. So again, this is a dining room. So there's no wall here. That light you see right there is actually the kitchen. So the kitchen is on that side. And we spoke to management about possibly building some type of division here. They said that because the firefighters or the fire department has the blueprint to the apartments, that could be it's a safety hazard and it's also illegal. We're just gonna do that. So we thought the best option was to put this curtain. Again, everything is from IKEA. It's super easy to open and close, and I specifically wanted it covered. One, because I don't really want to see the kitchen when I'm in the baby room, and two, I didn't want the smells of the kitchen to come through. So it has actually worked out pretty well. When I'm cooking in there, I have like on purpose come around to see if I can smell anything, and it blocks it pretty well. So I love those. And yeah, that's what that looks like. They're super long, which I also love. And then let's go back to the wardrobe. And I do want to show you before I go there that even though this room is pretty small, there is enough space for me to like walk around everything, and also like I can open these with no problem, and there's still like a bunch of space. Same thing with the wardrobe doors. So coming into the wardrobe, this has 3 doors. This one is like its own shelving side. I'm like kind of close for this video, so let me step away so you can see it. But it has 3 shelves, 1, 2, 3. Well, 3, but there's 4 spaces. So down there we just have some diapers. Right now we only have size 1. All of these that are outside are 1, and then we have a box of 2. But I am going to be buying some newborn sizes pretty soon, even though not a lot, because I know that we won't need too many. But I'm just gonna buy a few because I know that she'll need them. The second shelf right now, I just have the diaper bag, but that's actually reserved for a little basket for dirty laundry. The bag is there now because I just don't want it to be out in the way. But once the baby's here, the bag is just going to be hanging on the stroller like all the time. Then in the next 2 I just have some baskets, and in this one I have some baby hats. In this one I have, what do I have in there? I forget. I really am forgetting it. But the one behind that has some like head accessories, and I'm really forgetting what's in here. But yeah, they're the same baskets. I got them at Walmart. They were actually like on clearance, and I just thought that they were so cute. And I do still have like a ton of space on the sides to put anything else that I may need. And then moving on to the other 2 doors, let me just close this one. So this is like the actual closet where her clothing is. Let me step away. So that is what the closet looks like inside. Down here I just have some items that will be taken out as soon as she's born. Like we have some soap. That bag has, that bag has little sample sizes of like body wash and stuff. This is the Boone bottle drying rack, so that's obviously going in the kitchen. And then I just have some backup bedding. That is the exact same bedding that is on the crib right now. Westham made a mistake and they sent me the bedding twice. I actually the funny thing is, like, before you try to blame me or judge and say that I'm like stealing, so since they made a mistake, there's actually just one order number. So if I was to try to return it, they would just give me the money back, and then I would still have one set of bedding and not have paid them anything. And I think I feel guiltier about that than just having 2 and just, you know, use that one as backup. Basically, that's, I don't know, that's just my logic in my head. So in this second rack, by the way, this closet comes with 1 rack. We bought the extra one at Home Depot and installed it ourselves. We tried to get it at IKEA, but surprisingly, they have 2 or 3 that they sell like on its own, and none of them fit. It's the craziest thing. You would think that they would have one that fits perfectly, but they don't. So the bottom rack just has clothing that's like 6 months and up, which is not a lot. And then back there I just have some bibs. They're plastic, so I don't want to fold them, so I just hung them because of that. And a bunch of extra hangers. By the way, if you need baby hangers, Walmart has the best deal. You get 10 for $1. I've seen them like at Target. I think they're $2 or $3 for a pack. And also Bye Bye Baby has them for, I think, also $3. So Walmart definitely has the best deal. And in the top rack, I just have everything that's like newborn size. There's actually nothing newborn here because I wasn't going to buy any newborn size diapers or clothing because I keep hearing that they go through it so fast and all of that. But at the end of the day, even if it's just 1 or 2 weeks, she will still need diapers and newborn size clothing. So I ended up placing a last minute order for newborn size clothing, and it just came today. It's not here yet because I have to wash it and then put it away. But all of this is just like 0 to 3 or 3. And then the newborn size will eventually come in here. I do prefer to hang my clothes, like my own clothing, which is why I just did the same thing for the baby's closet. I know that some people say hanging baby clothes must be a hassle, but when I do laundry, and the time comes to either fold clothes or hang them, hanging them is always easier for me. So I figured it would be the same for the baby's clothing. And there's also just more space in the closet than in the drawers, or at least for now. Maybe once she has her own room, and we have like a second one, I can put like PJs and things like that in the other one. But right now, just everything is in here. And lastly, I do want to show you that I have these like size rings. They are from Amazon. So I don't have any like 9 size, or obviously anything after that, like 12, 18. So I just have like those back there. But I am using the 3 and the 6 down here, of course. And that's basically it for the closet. Oh, I didn't mention this. So up here I just have, this is the accessory that you put in the car for under the car seat so that it doesn't like dirty your seats. And then this is just the waterproof pad for the mattress. And then I don't think there's anything else in that basket. I just saved it. That basket actually came with a gift that my sister bought. It was a towel with some washcloths and a bathrobe, which is down there. Let me actually show you because it is the cutest thing. Look how cute that is. It is from Burt's Bees. Yeah, and that came in that basket. It was like a bathing or bath time gift set. Super cute. But I just wanted to keep it because I could use it to like store anything. But the waterproof mattress, I haven't put it on because I put the bedding a long time ago actually, so I do know that I have to wash it. I'm actually going to take it off as soon as I'm done with this video and put it in the laundry, where I have the newborn size clothing, so I can just wash it all together. But since I know I'd be taking this often, I just didn't mind that I forgot to put the waterproof pad. But once I wash this and like put everything back together, I'm going to put the pad on the mattress. But for now it's just up there because when I put this I just forgot. So that is it for the closet, and that is it for the entire room. I guess I forgot to show you what's in this drawer, even though I did mention it, but since I opened the other ones for you, I might as well just open this too. But like I said, I just have these are like extra sheets, swaddle blankets, swaddles, and there's like actual blankets I think behind this somewhere, and that's just for the stroller. You know, it's that thing that you put, I don't know what the name is right now, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So that is it for the crib and the room and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, that is the baby room. We are very excited for her to be here. Bye.